Are you gonna cut me? Oh, that feels kinda nice. NeoBlade makes cutting a total breeze. The secret to its smoothness is ultrasonic cutting technology. Listen. The vibration is auto-adjusting according to various kinds of materials, so that it just makes every cut right to the point without wasting any unnecessary efforts. And there's a turbo dock for twin charging. Straight lines or regular curves. Easy peasy. Hard to reach angles or anything even more wacky. NeoBlade slices through it all, from big complicated supports to tiny little ones. And with a built-in cooling fan, every cut is clean and smooth. And say goodbye to those pesky wires. Press and hold for quick, precise cuts, or switch to continuous mode for longer ones. You can handle any project, whether you're tweaking models or jumping into a DIY adventure. Battery running low? Just swap it out and drop the dead one in turbo dock. And it's not just the battery. You can swap out the blade in a snap. You've always got the perfect blade for the job, making every cut spot on and smooth. NeoBlade lets you cut free and keeps you sharp and focused on whatever you're working on. With NeoBlade, every cut is a masterpiece.